go super fast. He's like, we're not gonna break out. Good morning vlog. Today is goodbye to Pamabury. We are leaving to go to Chiang Mai, the last destination of our Thailand trip. Oh my gosh, our car ride here took forever because the guy was so slow. And we had to dash and run to get our bags checked in and everything, but we made it on time.
Two hours later.
Check in. Anyways, that's our room.
That's our 3-star hotel.
At least it has a
The
pool.
bed is big. Hey vlog. So we just landed in Chiang Mai and now we're just walking around. We're gonna walk to the mall. It says it's 16 minutes, but it's blazing hot right now. This is quite a journey, Dennis. Whose idea was to walk to the mall? We could have had some AC in the car. Oh my gosh, I see it. I see it. Let me turn it around. It's that building right there.
This place is called Nimman Hill. What happened over there? Bangkok traffic. Bangkok traffic. This is the basement of the mall. Like any other Thai mall is a food market. She wanted to walk outside in the blazing heat to find some Arabica place, but we found her other favorite place here.
Oh my gosh, did we tell you? Dennis freaking dropped it when we got out of the Uber.
My bad.
Well,
My bad.
it's okay. It's okay. So we're eating at a shabu shabu place for just $2.99.
So we ended up in another market. Where are we?
We're at the Nimman something.
And what are we doing here, miss?
Exploring.
Soaps. Smells good.
Look at that bag. Oh, they feel funny. Looks like
Coco.
cocoa.
Maybe we shouldn't have went to a buffet. Still no regrets. That was a good buffet.
The next day.
Hey vlog! We're waiting for our ride and we're gonna go to this jungle coaster place. And then there's a little cafe or something close by. And then maybe if we're feeling it, we're gonna go to this sheep place that I saw on TikTok. And then at nighttime, we're gonna go to the Carp Cafe. Our driver gave us a gift.
This is where you buy the tickets.
So we just got our tickets to go on the jungle coaster right there.
Tokens.
Yes, tokens. Let's go. Make sure you keep a distance, sir. This guy, he wants to go super fast. He's like, we're not gonna break at all, but we are going to. It says to always break in time, okay, sir?
No stop.
So scary. Why are they screaming? Is it scary? No break. Oh my gosh! No. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Back. I feel like I'm gonna fall off. It's at reduced speed.
Did it right. That's the end.
Oh, that's it? That was fast. Bloop. Yo, I covered his face. We're gonna go to Jungle the Cafe now. Got some sheep food. It's covering already. Oh my god, stop it! That is so scary! Let's go over there with the flowers and the...
They're following you. Go up on the hill, go up on the hill.
Let's take the picture!
I'm taking pictures.
Look at the camera. Can you get rid of them? Just bring like 2. Whoa. They're both on the swing now. This is the view.
I don't know. What'd she say? Oh, they are feeding the fish.
17? Our drinks finally arrived. Dennis got the blue Hawaiian, and this one is the strawberry smoothie. We bought some, what's it called? Fish food. These guys think I have food. The ones right here think I'm holding food.
after the Carp Cafe, we went back to the mall we were at yesterday to see how everything looks like at night. Helen's waiting for her Thai tea. I'm gonna go outside and look what's over here.
Fashion show!
Today for dinner, we got potato corner and some meatballs.
Got some skewers. They're 10 baht for one stick each. Potato corner. And we also got 2 drinks right here.